Hello, it's me again. Hey, Crazy Rebecca, Dances with Pitbulls. Welcome to the kit clearance. The January kit clearance. I'm going to start with small to large. This is a very small autumn type kit. I'm going to see what size these are. 3.5-inch blocks. Not for the faint of heart, but 3.5-inch blocks. Fabric. I might rework that. I'm going to add some fabric to that just to make it a little more appealing. Get a bunch of trims, some threads, some beads. Everybody's favorite, my business card. You get instructions. I'm going to let this go for 10 bucks. Free shipping on orders over 50. $5 for anything less. You can also mix and match. You can order from my previous video, my Crazy Quilt fabric bundles. I will combine shipping. So this is the tiny autumn bundle. Or kit. Kit, Rebecca, kit. This is sage, ecru, and brown. These squares are 4.5 inches. Get a sample square. You get border fabrics in case you want to make a pillow or a small wall hanging. You get a lot of trims. Of course, my business card instructions. I think I'm going to beef this bundle up too. So this one is now $15. Okay. I think this is the next biggest. Any guesses? So you get the bundle, like I'm selling. You get 8-inch squares and a big honking thing of trims. I need to put the instructions and my business card in there. I'm going to let this one go for $20. I had them marked way above that before. This is the Grinch. He's long and tall like the Grinch. Look at that mass of trims. Look at it. Two bundles of fabric. Border fabrics. 8-inch squares. Oh, plus inner border fabrics. Yeah, this makes a nice quilt top. Wall hanging what have you. Grinch is going. Grinch is going for $30 because of this massive bag and all the border fabrics. So I think these last ones will also be $30. Big thing are these look smaller. These are 7-inch squares, but you get a lot of border fabrics. And look at all the trims. I even color separated them. Come on. So yeah, $30. I gotta put, okay, so this one needs, this one also needs the instructions and a business card. Last but not least, see, I have this marked at 65, but this is only going to be 30. So it's less than half off. Look at this. This is way more than you'll need. You'll have that left over for other things. These look 8-inch again. Wow, look at all of them I put in there. 8-inch squares, inner border fabric, outer border fabric, and 2 bundles. $30. Okay, as I said, orders over $50 will ship free. Anything under that, I will add $5 towards shipping to your PayPal or whatever. You can mix and match with my Crazy Quilt bundles, which is in my other video I just released. I promise I'll put all the right stuff in. No, I promise. And I'm going to beef the fabric up in these too. All right. Whew. That was a lot of work. See you later. Oh, stick around because the ordering information is coming up at the very end.